Look, guys, I just got booted offline. Like, I'm using my controller, and I just got booted offline. Like, see? And then when I connect, and look, I think he's, like, IP flooding me or something, because, like, see how it's loading? It won't let me load. See? Now I'm gonna try to connect. No, fucking wrong one. Oh my god. Yeah, guys. I think me and Swifties got booted offline. I don't know. Like, I'm trying to sign in and it won't let me sign in. It's probably gonna let me sign in now. I don't know, but yeah. See. It was fine. I was playing fine, like, and now it won't let me sign in.